Good evening. Today we are talking about circle, sphere, and like that is three dimension, this is two dimension. This is plane figure we can see. All of you know the circle, you know the circumference of circle, that is perimeter of circle, area of circle. Area means inside. Now here circle, many things are there. You know this is semicircle and this we can say sector of a circle. Like pizza piece, you can see pizza piece, sector of circle. There is the arc, is the radii. Area between the radii and the arc is called area of a sector. There is the formula, you know the formula is there. Then segment also, you know chapati piece like that you can see. Segment in classes you study that. See, here one piece of a circle. This is segment, this one. This part, chapati piece like that. Now what I am telling, how can you find out the area? How can you find a circle? Circumference. Class 6, class 7. Circumference perimeter. See my head. Imagine it is a circle. Sphere, circle. Your head is circle. So measure like this. Boundary. So from here, you can use tab. This is okay, 47 centimeter. That is the circumference of my head. That is, we are getting the formula 2 pi r. That means every circle, big or small circle, what we can say, C by D, circumference by diameter is a constant, that is called pi. That is 22 by 7, we can say like that. Now look here, very interesting I can say. This is the circle. Now, two dimension, circle to sphere. Our concept is today we are talking about surface area and volume of three-dimensional field. Surface area we study, area of a circle, pi r square. But what is the circumference? Okay, 2 pi r, circumference we study. That is the length of the boundary. But I am talking about three dimension. Look here, this is a sphere, circle to sphere. Three dimension is sphere, or we can say 3D, surface area and volume. A circle has one area, that is plane figure, no surface area. But see the sphere, it has volume, it has surface area, it has one face on. So surface area of the sphere or football or lemon or orange, we can see one face is there. You have the formula. That formula we are deriving from this one. Pi r square is the formula for this. Now normally we are doing like this. If you are putting the thread here, that's you can see 4 circle you can see. So total surface area, you can see here surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Remember the pi r square, then pi r square plus 4 pi r square. Remember like that one. Surface area of a sphere, not circle. Circle has only one plane, that is pi r square. But sphere, I know one plane only, but it is what I can say. 4 circle. If you are putting the thread experiment, we can see there in the math lab also it is there. 4 pi r square. Remember, search for circles. Now, look here. Here you can see the cylinder. Am I right? It is a cylinder. Cylinder, very nice. Look here. Here is a circle. Here is another circle. So the cylinder has how many faces? 1, 2, 3 faces. Yes or no? 3 faces. One circle, another circle. Then we are talking about close cylinder. That means 1, 2, 3 faces. Now, my dear children, very interesting. We are coming to area to surface area. Tell me what is the difference between surface area and area? Area, I told you, plane figure, area of a circle, but surface area of a sphere. Now, 3 dimension, look here, 3 dimension. What is this? This is a cube. Cube. Here you can see square. Here also one is there. That is missing, I think. So maybe somebody took that. It is covered. Now circles, sorry. Square, square, square. We are in a cuboid, I can say, or cube. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 squares. In small class, you study the area of a square is side into side. Yes or no? Aditya, yes, sir. Side into side, side square. S square. S square. Again S square. 6S square. That is very easy, my dear children. This is what I call surface area. Understand the difference. Because I am telling you, nobody know that you are in class 8, class 9, everybody is in front of me. You don't know what is the difference between area and surface area. This is the difference, my dear children. Area, plane figure. Your surface area means area of all faces. This is a cube, or cuboid also here. Cuboid you can see. We are in a cuboid room. How many faces this has? 6 faces, correct? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. We are in a cuboid. Our room is a cuboid. Look, the walls, the floor. You can see the floor here, marble. There also the roof and the side here. 6 faces. So this is a cuboid. What I am telling. Square to cube. Then rectangle to cuboid. Rectangle to cuboid. Yes, that is the 3 dimension. A rectangle has one face. That is what I can say line. That is not solid. It is 2 dimension, 2D or plane figure. But a cuboid, that is 3 dimension. It has 6 faces. So now look here. How can we find out the surface area of a cuboid? Cube I told you 6 square. 6 into side square. Cuboid. Okay, same thing. We have formula. That means base. Look, the floor. It is a rectangle. 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 See our classroom, beautiful classroom. Look, it is faces. What is the area of the floor? Length into breadth, sir. Length into breadth. That means 2 times length into breadth, correct? Here, breadth into height. It is 3 dimension. Height is coming. Length, breadth, height. So, what is that, my dear child? Dear child, what is that? Breadth and height. Breadth into height, BH. Here also BH. BH plus BH. What is BH? BH plus BH? 2BH. S plus S, 2X. Mango plus mango, 2 mangoes. Okay, like this you can see. Now here it is length into height. LH. Here also LH. What I am telling you short, you can remember that. That 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. That is the formula for surface area of a cuboid. In short, what I am telling, there is a general formula there. Whatever be the prism, this is all a prism. This is a prism. Then the square prism, I can say square prism. This is a cylindric, what I can say, this is circular prism. And this is not prism. Prism means what I can say, same. That means here will be base and top are same. Others are polygon like that. Anyway, what I can say, the surface area, total surface area means here the lateral surface area plus this circle plus this circle. Now for the cuboid, total surface area, beautiful formula is the perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base, you will get like that, total surface area, then plus the base, 2 base and roof. Or what I can say, dear children, can you find out the area for 4 words? I don't want this. Suppose father is telling to paint or principal is telling to whitewash the class. Don't whitewash it. No need, because it is beautiful marble something. There also no need. So how can you find out area for walls? That is called lateral surface area. Here also you can see this is the lateral surface area. Here in this is the lateral surface area. Don't take this part, this open cylinder. Here it is, circle is there, don't find it. It will be. So lateral surface area and this circle plus that circle. This is called total surface area of a three-dimensional figure. Solid like that. Now, my dear children, listen here. Remember the general formula. A prism. You know prism? You heard a prism? Cube is a prism. This is cylinder is a prism. But pyramid is not a prism. They are not a prism. It is not a prism. So, total surface area, lateral surface, or another word is curved surface area of a prism. That means base perimeter into height. Remember, all of you write that, underline that. Lateral surface area of a prism. Yes, tell me. Shashi, tell me. Ahmad, are you writing or not? Yes, okay. Now, Ajwa, what is lateral surface area of prism? Isha? Okay, base perimeter into height. Lazim, are you following or not? Okay, base perimeter into height. Write it. So very easy, my dear children, you can develop your own formula in examination, class 8, class 10 examination. Questions are the base perimeter into height, perimeter is given, and lateral surface area is given. Find out the height of your classroom. Now listen here. All of you please listen here. Look, I want the lateral surface area. Look here. Another. Cover the cylinder. Is it full? You have to cover full. Full you have to cover. Now see, I can say, now I am removing slowly. Okay, the surface, not the bottom, lateral surface area, curved surface area covered. Now look, what is the shape of this one? Tell me, my dear children, what is the shape of this one? Tell me, dear child, it's a rectangle, not square. It is a rectangle. You know what is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth, LB. So this is the length and this is the breadth. Now look here, what happened here? It was like this. Look, this length. Length is 2 pi r, I can say. Before that we studied. What is this? 2 pi r is the length. That is why I put the thread. And this length, that is the circumference. Are you following or not? That circumference, I put this one. Circumference, that is L into B. Now listen carefully, this is 2 pi r. Are you agreeing or not? This is 2 pi r. See, this was the cylinder lateral surface area. Slowly, 2 pi r. Then what about this one? This is the height of the cylinder. So that is why we are getting the famous formula, easy formula, beautiful formula. You can say 2 pi r into h. Are you following or not? 2 pi, listen my dear child, don't look here. Look, 2 pi r into h. Understand? 2 pi r into h. That is why we got 2 pi r into h. So, remember this experiment is there, your book, class 8 book, it is there. 2 pi r into rectangle, we are getting 2 pi r into h, 2 pi r, like that. 2 pi r is the length, h is the breadth, 2 pi r into h. Okay? Now the same thing I am talking about, not in CBSE, American system, British system. Base perimeter into height. Base perimeter. What is the perimeter? This circle, right? This is a circle. 2 pi r into h. We got it. Now underline 2 pi r h. Okay? Now listen here. I am coming to the. This is not globe. Sphere, I can say. Maybe globe like that. Here is very nice. I told you 4 pi r. Now here is a beautiful question is there. Look, you heard about, can you tell me any example of a sphere? Yes, football, lemon, what is, okay, apple, okay, sphere, that means round apple. If you are cutting the apple, what happens? You are getting two hemispheres. I think you saw the white color of the apple, the right? White color will be if you are eating, cutting the apple round. Now look here. What I told, 4 pi, what is the surface area? 4 pi r square. Now I am cutting. Hemisphere. What is the surface area of hemisphere? 4 pi r square by 2, 2 pi r square. No. That is the question class 10. This year also, 2024, 2025, they asked this one. It is the hemisphere. My dear children, the formula is here holosphere. No, it is a solid. Here, can you see a circle here? So what is the surface area? Okay, I know this 2 pi r square, curve surface area. Here one more circle is there. Can you see? Pi r square plus 2 pi r square. What is it? 3 pi r square. So listen here carefully. Here is the beauty. Here is the question. 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square. Listen here, my children. That is 3 plus 3. How much? 3 plus 3? 6. 6 pi r square. No. What is the surface area of the 3 pi r square plus 3? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 pi r square. But what is the formula? You are right. You are right. So what is happening? I am joining this one. Circle, no more circle. You see? 4 pi r square. Am I right or not? Remember that. You have to remember like that. Abdullah said, D like that. It is circle, no more circle. If you are cutting 3 pi r square. I know COVID case it was one question. 3 pi r square, 3 pi r square, 6 pi r square. But the formula is 4 pi r square. Yes? 4 pi, you understood? Because this circle is not the inside. It's a solid sphere. Okay, fine. Now I am coming to the volume. Surface area, any question is that you can ask me now. Any question, my dear child? Haris? Ajwa? Where is Naila? Any question? You understood. Okay, now I am coming to the very interesting but beautiful. This ice cream, no? You want ice cream? You want ice cream? I will give you ice cream. You want? I will give you ice cream is there. But remember here. Another question is there, but I am not coming to that case because time factor is there. Look, it is a circle. Now this is a cone. Cone. I am cutting. You got a cone here. This is the cone. Now here you can see the cone. This is the cone. Cone. One L is ELL. L is there. Slant height is there for cone. This is the height. This is the what I can say vertex, center. Now here if you are folding you are getting a cone. Cone. But it is not a prism. We cannot use the general formula. What is the general formula? Tell me the general formula. Base perimeter into height. Base perimeter into height. Base perimeter into height. You have to write that 5 times tomorrow. Understand? Base perimeter into height is the surface, no, lateral surface area or curved surface area of a solid. Understood? It is a solid, it is not a prism. That is the fourth prism I am talking about. This solar prism. Same height, same level it is going, prism. I am not talking about the same prism in the physics lab. You know prism is the triangular prism. That is also correct, no problem. Now here you can see, here 2 pi r is there. And here also the formula L is there. For L you have to call the famous mathematician, you know. Who is that? Pythagoras. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. This L is the hypotenuse. Here is the radius. Inside you can see, the textbook you can see. I will show that another time. Now here is rectangle, right angle you are getting, 90-degree angle. So hypotenuse square, L square is equal to R square plus X square. From there you can find out L and pi r, 2 pi r, something like that. But I told you, L is there. That is the hard thing for the, not hard I can say. But when you are coming to the, I am telling this fast because time factor is there. Now, volume. Volume is very easy, my dear children. No problem. Doesn't matter. Very interesting. Volume means, what is the volume? How much sugar in this? How much tea powder in it? How much water will be inside? Or air is there, correct? The space occupied. That is called volume. Now here also, this also volume. It has volume. That is hollow cylinder, not solid. Understand? That also volume is there. Inside the volume is there. Here. Another general formula, I am talking about the volume. Remember the general formula for lateral surface area of a prism is equal to base perimeter into height. Base perimeter into height. Yes. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. Correct? Into h 2 pi r into h pi r. 2 pi r. You study that 2 pi r, not pi r square. Base perimeter into height. Now I am coming to the area volume. Now look here. Now it is also not in CBSE, you can see that means base area into height. Before base perimeter into height, now volume of a prism is base area into height. Base area into height. Tell me, my dear children, it is a circle. It is base area. What is area of a circle? Pi r square. Very nice. Good. Excellent. Pi r square. This is the height. Very nice. Now you are studying very nicely. Correct? Good. 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 I will give you chocolate. Now listen here. You don't want chocolate? 100 rupees. Okay? Real? No. Under real I cannot give. Now listen here. Pi r square h. Base area into height. Okay? Write it. Adnan, write it. What are you talking about? Don't talk. Write it. Because it is not there in your CBSE book. It is IGCSE book. You can see this one. Pi r square h. Base area into height. Now, listen here. I like this one. You like this one, because chocolate, ice cream. Ice cream I will give. But the volume concept. Here, it is not prism. No. Here this is pi r square h. Pi r square h, this one. Okay? Are you enjoying or not? Pi r square h. The volume is pi r square h. Now here we cannot take it. You know the formula, remember. If you are doing the experiment, I will come to that. Pi r square h by 3. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Suppose the volume is this one, same height. This height is same. So same base. Same, correct? Now height also same height. If it is a cone, if it is a cylinder, pi r square h by 3. Suppose this is 90 milliliter. This will be 30 milliliter. 90 by 3. Correct? Suppose this 900. It will be how much? 900 ml is there. Well, remember, I will show you water. I will give you water in this. You can see. So here it is 90 millimeter water. You know 1 liter is how many milliliter? 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter. Now 90 millimeter, 900, because I can divide by 3. What is 900 divided by 3? 300. It will be 300. Don't believe me, you can do the experiment. Listen here what I told. Now let me fill the water here. Water? I want water. Look here, all of you. Look. All of you count properly. 1. See, look. You can check. Come and check. 2. Correct or not? MashaAllah, great. Look. More water I want, I think. Please give me more water. No problem. Okay, enough, more than enough. Thank you. Listen here. Now check. This is full. Can you see? Look here. So, water is full. 3. This is 300, 900 milliliter, not kilogram, not gram, milliliter. Understand? Can you drink 500 milliliter water? That means half liter, yes? This, can you drink this one? I don't think you cannot drink this one time. Now listen here. What I am telling. All of you, listen here. This same water again I am taking. Listen. Here. Can you help me? Nobody is here. Okay. Are you busy? Okay, you have to do the work. Now tomorrow you have to do from the lab. Listen here. Water. This is 900 ml water is there. 1, correct? Tell me yes or no. 1. Count, you count. Count, my boys. Count. 2. Say 2. Now you can check. Now look here. MashaAllah. Look here. Look. Now, one drop or drop difference is there. Look here 3 times. Correct? You can come and you can check. Doesn't matter. All of you come. You can do that. Lazim, Bazam, you can check. Doesn't matter. Now look here again. 1. Let me speed up. Because time is running. 1, 2. Listen. Dama, please listen. This is your chapter. You see? 3. Finish. Look. Are you agree? Listen. Now, after this, we will study about the, what I can say, surface area of the combination of figure. That tomorrow, inshallah, we will take. Okay? Okay, children? Any doubt you can ask me? Any doubt? I told you plane figure. I told you solid figure. I told you surface area. I told you volume. Understand? So, what is the formula? Lateral surface area is equal to base perimeter into height. Underline that. Volume is equal to base perimeter into, base area into height. Correct? Are you following? That is for prism. Then beautiful example I told you, cone and cylinder 1/3 pi r square. Okay then, thank you. Ice cream I will give you. Okay, bye.